highlighted Pakistan's vision for peace and prosperity in the SCO region. He proposed building of efficient transport corridors and reliable supply chains in the region and stressed that CPEC could be a force multiplier for regional connectivity. Foreign Minister called for comprehensive and collective approach for eradicating the menace of terrorism and advised against weaponizing terrorism for diplomatic point scoring. He also condemned the willful provocations and incitement to hate and called for collective fight against fascism and historical revisionism that is leading to violent nationalism. The Foreign Minister emphasized the unilateral and illegal measures in violation of international law and the UN Security Council resolutions that also ran counter to SCO objectives. On the sidelines of CFM, Foreign Minister interacted with his counterparts from China, Russia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, and Kyrgyzstan, as well as Secretary General of SCO. The CFM afforded Pakistan an important opportunity to demonstrate its commitment to SCO and present its vision for addressing major regional and global issues. Since becoming a member in 2017, Pakistan has actively and constructively participated in all SCO activities and mechanisms and worked for enhanced cooperation in pursuance of SCO's multi-sectoral agenda. During the visit of China's State Councillor and Foreign Minister Qin Gang, the two foreign ministers co-chaired the fourth round of Pakistan-China strategic dialogue, covering a wide range of bilateral issues. The two sides reaffirmed the all-weather strategic cooperative partnership, agreed to develop a roadmap for multidimensional cooperation, and discussed the evolving regional and global landscape. They reaffirmed enduring support on issues concerning each other's core national interests. Welcoming the completion of a decade of CPEC in 2023, the two sides reaffirmed their commitment to high-quality development of CPEC. The delegation, led by Afghan Foreign Minister Maulvi Amir Khan Muttaqi, included the acting Afghan Minister for Commerce and Industry, Haji Nuruddin Azizi, and senior officials from the Afghan Ministries of Foreign Affairs, Transport, and Trade. The two sides discussed at length bilateral cooperation in the political, economic, trade, connectivity, education, peace and security, including counterterrorism domains. The fifth China-Pakistan-Afghanistan Trilateral Foreign Ministers Dialogue was held on 6th of May 2023. The three sides agreed to advance political engagement, counterterrorism cooperation, and enhance trade, investment, and connectivity under the trilateral framework. The three sides underscored the need to tackle security challenges posing a serious threat to regional peace and stability, not to allow their territories to be used by any individual group or party, including the TTP and the ETIM, to conduct terrorist activities and actions. The Ethiopian Minister of State for Foreign Affairs is currently in Islamabad on an official visit. The delegation comprises Ministers of State for Science and Innovation and Trade and Regional Integration, and members of the business community. On Tuesday, the Ethiopian Foreign Minister called on Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari. His program today includes meetings with the Minister of State, Ms. Hina Rabbani Kar, and inauguration of the Embassy of Ethiopia. The two sides will undertake discussions on a range of bilateral issues of mutual interest, with a focus on trade and cooperation in science and technology. The visit also marks the arrival of inaugural flights, direct flights between Karachi and Addis Ababa, operated by Ethiopian Airlines. Coming to the situation in IIOJK, the oppression in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir continues unabated. Since our last press briefing, the occupation forces have killed